Hi, to change straps of your Garmin Vivoactive 5 as a first step, flip it and take a look at its back part. Here you'll see the straps and this little metal pins. So you need to move it to the right side here so we can release this strap. It is not so easy, but this is how you take off straps. Let's do the same with other strap. I'm gonna just move it to the right side and now we can release it. So if you have new one, then take them. I don't have spare ones. I'm just gonna put back this old strap. For that, we need to simply put it to this side like that. And now, as we did before, we need to move this little pin to the right side so we can connect it to the watch again, just like this. And now it is secured here, so take your second strap, also insert it in this position, and then you would need to move to the right side this metal pin as well, like this, till it would be secured. Let's try this one more time. It is not an easy process, especially if you have long nails like I do. And voila, everything is ready. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.